the Linpa World T2 True Wireless Earbuds. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will take a look at the T2 Wireless Earbuds by Linpa World. I will go over specs, features, provide a microphone sample, and give my thoughts. This was sent out for me to review, and as always, I provide my honest and unbiased opinions in my reviews. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide and a thank you card, a micro USB cable for charging, and small, medium, large ear tips, which one pair is pre-installed. The T2 features 6 hours of listening time, 35 hours with the case. It takes about 1.5 hours to fully charge. It uses Bluetooth 5.0, it has button controls, micro USB charging, and it's sweat and water resistant. The case is small and compact. It has a two-tone color and is plastic all around, and you can see the branding on the front. On the back, you have the charge LED status and micro USB port for charging. The lid is magnetic and it feels tight when it closes. The earbuds are also held into place by magnets and feel secure. I found it a bit difficult to remove the earbuds from the case, as it didn't provide enough grip. The earbuds have a simple design and it's smooth all around. It is smaller compared to many of the earbuds that I have reviewed in the past, and it's lightweight. Inside has the ear indicator markings, and the outside has the button controls for navigating. Each of the earbuds feature an LED light, microphone, button control, charging contacts, and interchangeable ear tips. And here they are side by side. Navigating the playback and call controls is just like any other earbuds. It's a matter of pressing or holding down to get your desired function. The user guide has it laid out nicely. The case comes in at 2.3 by 1.2 by 1.8 inches. It weighs in at roughly 35 grams, and the earbuds come in at 9 grams. Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Linpa World T2 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphones feature noise reduction, as you heard. I also had no issues while making calls. The other party was able to hear me with no issues. You can use the earbuds in mono, so left or right side individually if you prefer. Watching video with an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Connection was stable and no disconnects. The pairing process was also instantaneous. So here are my thoughts on the T2 earbuds, and sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. It had a nice fit and it didn't require excessive twisting to get seated in the ears. The earbuds are very light and you don't even notice them on at times. The button controls were very responsive and clicky. It takes minimal pressure to activate it, hence minimizing the earbuds from pushing further into your ear canals. They did stay into place while running. It would have been nice if there was optional fins for a more secure fit during heavy workouts. Build and quality is average. Nothing really stands out. It's very minimalistic and a simple plastic feel. The case and earbuds are lightweight and compact. It was a bit difficult for me to remove the earbuds as mentioned earlier, and it can become a bit slippery. When it comes to sound, I felt that the bass was average. It had the punch and kick, but not the heavy bass if that is what you're looking for. It could be a bit tighter as well. Mids and highs I think is where this leans more towards. It's more bright sounding. Treble stands out and you can definitely hear vocals and instruments. They sound clean and clear. Volume levels do get high, so if you like to listen at a high level, this will have no issues with it. So in my opinion, these are budget earbuds good for daily use. It doesn't have the exceptional sounds, but it does the job. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.